It's like me and don't like trouble. One man thing is another man's trouble. Money no day today, money go day tomorrow. Feel good is a happy day. Nobody do that.
This is a wooden wheelbarrow with a single wheel and two stands. A wooden gear was used as the wheel. First, the small wooden wheelbarrow was used to carry a desktop printer. The wheelbarrow successfully carried the printer forward and backward on a table, as shown here. To give you a better view of this wheelbarrow design, it was partially disassembled to separate the wheel and its attachments from the vertical stands attached to the horizontal load support pieces. It's important to ensure that the wheel rotates freely on the pole. Other pieces are attached to raise the load-bearing pieces above the wheel in this design, unlike the more common direct connection of the load-bearing pieces to the wheeled pole. Wheelbarrow was assembled by screwing the parts consisting of the wheel and the other attachments to the horizontal load support pieces, which were already attached to the two vertical stands. This design has the advantage of easing the carriage of load without wheel interference extending beyond or in front of the wheel, unlike the more common wheelbarrow design where additional multivases are required to prevent interference of the wheel by the load.
Thanks for watching, and if you follow us, develop it once,